Out here on asphalt and dirt, there's no mercy. Every stitch, every shell, every sole tested to the edge. Welcome to the battlefield of 2025 motorcycle gear, where legends fight and only the strongest survive. Can the Alpinestars GP Plus defend its title against the Dainese Super Rider with its removable waterproof membrane? Jeans, will the Rev'It? Moto outlast the Dainese Denim for the #1 spot. Pants, will the Dainese D-Explorer cement its reign against the Alpinestars Andes? Helmets, can the Arai Signet overcome the challenge from the Shuai X15 with its advanced aerodynamics? Gloves, is the Alpinestars GP Pro ready to shut down the Dainese Full Metal with its carbon and titanium inserts? Boots, will the Alpinestars Tech 10 stand tall against the seedy Adventure? That's the battlefield of 2025. Read the full stories on goodgearhub.com/blogs.